Hello students, welcome to all of you students. Today I will do exercise 7C. Okay, so let us do first question of this exercise. The HCF of the two numbers is 6 and LCM is 144. If one number is 36, find the other. So first of all students, what you have to do, first read the question. Okay, what you have to do, first read the question carefully. Then second, you have to list the information. आपको information, you have to write the information which is given in the question. So what is the information given? HCF is given. HCF is equal to 6 and LCM is 144. LCM is 144. Now if one number is 36, one number is 36, the question is saying find the other number. Find the other number. Okay, so we have to find the other number. Now what is the formula? Third step is you have to write the formula. Okay, so what is the formula for this question? The formula is HCF into LCM is equal to one number into other number. This is the formula. Okay, so you have to write this formula in each question before solving the question. Now what is the HCF given? HCF is 6, so write 6. And what is LCM? 144, so write 144 is equal to what is one number? 36, so write 36. And other number, write as it is, because you have to find it, other number. Okay, now what you have to do students, देखो, whatever the number is with other number, this number should, you will have to shift this number here in the division. Okay, so you will write 6 into 144 divided by 36 is equal to other number. What I mean to say that this 36 you will shift in the division of 6 into 144. Okay, now solve this and find the answer. So how are you going to solve it? First of all, 6 ones are 6, 6 6 are 36. Okay, now 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12, 2 carry 24, 6 fours are 24. So the other number is 24. This is your answer. Okay, now let me explain question number 2. Okay, question number 2 says the product of two number is 2352. So product of two number is given. Product of two number is 2352 and the HCF is HCF of the two number is 14. Then we have to find the LCM. Okay, so first write the formula. HCF into LCM is equal to, now when the product of two number is given, so you will write product of two number. Product of two number. Now first, what is the HCF? HCF is 14 and LCM you have to find. So write LCM as it is. Now product of two number is 2352. So what you have to do, you have to shift this 14, in the division here. Okay, so I will write LCM is equal to 2352 divided by 14. Now we have to solve it. So can we reduce both the number by 7? 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 and 2 carry 25. So 7 again 3s are 21, 4 carry 42, 7 6 are 42. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 13, 2 6 are 12 and 2 8s are 16. So your LCM is 168. This is the answer. Okay, So this is the answer of the second part. In this way you are going to do this question. The product of question 3 says the product of two co-prime numbers is 56. So of the product of two co-prime numbers, two co-prime number is equal to 156. Find the LCM. Find the LCM. So in this question, HCF is not given. So HCF is very important, that we should know the HCF before finding the LCM. Okay. So how are we going to do this question? Now this is the product of two co-prime numbers. Now what are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are the numbers. So the co-prime numbers are two natural numbers which have only one as their common factor. Okay. So if one is the common factor, for example, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are the co-prime numbers because their common factor is 1. So what will be the HCF? If the common factor is 1, then HCF will be 1. So now we can write the formula HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. The formula which we have written in the previous question, HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So this formula I will write again. Now HCF is 1 and LCM we have to find is equal to product of two numbers is 156. So LCM, the LCM into 1 is LCM. Okay, and your LCM is 156. This is the answer. Okay students, now question 4. In question 4, HCF and LCM is given. If one number is given, find the other. So this is unlike question number 1. This is like question number 1. So do this question on your own. Now question 5 says this is a multiple choice question, so you have to take the correct answer. And this question says LCM of two number is 84. LCM is equal to 84. Which one of the following cannot be their HCF? Okay, so always there is one thing which is certain. Now what will be the HCF according to this question? So first of all, let me write the options which are given. The options are A 4, B 8, C 6 and D 21. So students, can 4 be the HCF? If you divide 84 by 4, this 84 divide by this 4, so 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. So it can be divided completely. So this cannot be HCF. If you divide 84 by 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So it is also completely divided. So it can also not be the HCF. Now if you divide 84 by 21, so 21 4s are 84. It is also now 84 is also completely divided by 21. So 21 can also not be the HCF. Now if you divide 84 by 8, so 8 1s are 8 and 4 is the remainder. Hence we can say that 8 is the HCF. Okay students, thank you.